All right, so here's what we're after. Last night I made this template to weld over the spot on the frame. Sorry. And these templates are available nationwide. You know, they're pretty reasonable. So anyway, we've got this piece of metal cut. I've been test fitting it, and I believe we're pretty close. I'm sticking down a little bit down here on the bottom, but after some test fits, I believe we're going to be okay. So I'm waiting for the compressor to catch up, and then we're going to go in and clean some more on the frame, cleaning the paint off the frame. So anyway, I'm going to pause this and I'll be back. All right, so here's what we got so far. I've been cleaning off the paint. Got a patch, I believe, made. Well, that didn't work. I believe this is going to sit in here like this. And make sure I've got a little paint off. I'm going to be welding. All right. So anyway, you get the idea. So this is going to sit up here like this, and I'm going to weld down through here, up through here. Obviously I'm going to bend this little tab over. May fit better right there. So I got to slide this a little bit to get a better fitment. But as you can see what I'm after here. So anyway, I believe I'm pretty close to being able to start welding it. And I don't know how this is going to work because I'm laying on my back under a vehicle. And all of my welding experience sums up to about 30 minutes. So this ought to be fun. Alright guys, this is boogered all to pieces. Feel free to roast me. It's finished as far as I can tell. I don't see any holes anywhere, so yeah, there it is. It's not good, but anyway, I saw this motivational thing today. It said, be brave enough to suck at something new. And if that doesn't suck, I don't know what does. But I did it myself, and I didn't pay anybody to do it, and that's the only way you're going to learn. So there it is. It's better than it was, I guess. So anyway, I've got this little horseshoe piece I think I'm going to put back here. Maybe. I'm going to think about that for a minute. So probably not going to record that, but if I do, I'm going to do a wrap up at the end of this. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so here's where I call it quits. Is it ugly? Absolutely, it's ugly. Is it better than it was? I'd have to say yes. Yes. All right, so this is not a forever vehicle for me. If I can get 6 months out of this 4Runner, I'm good. This is definitely better than it was. And that rust had been going on for a long time. It probably could have been driven as it was. So this was more of a practice for me, a new learning experience. It's not correct. You know, there's this company, I think they call it Safety Cap or something. They make these prefabbed frame panels that weld up over this stuff that should be professionally installed. But, you know, for me, this is not a forever vehicle. It's an extra vehicle. And learning how to weld is something I've always wanted to do. And so I'm going to do it. So this is it. If you want to try something new, don't be afraid to try it. Do it. Do it now. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. And let's see what the next project's going to bring us. See you on the next one.